Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, to those of you that are new to this channel, if you are new and you've not subscribed, guys, make sure you click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like, share, make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So let's see what we'll be expecting this week on GBP JPY. I want you guys to actually pay attention to this pair carefully because we will do top-down analysis from the weekly time frame downward to the lower time frame, so you understand why we'll be making such move this week on GBP JPY. So now before we go that, to those of you that are actually a struggling trader, we are now putting out this online mentorship, especially those of you that are actually requesting for this mentorship. We are now putting it out there because they will be putting out how to analyze charts like a pro. You'll be able to learn it the way I'm analyzing this charts. You'll be able to learn how to analyze it properly, so you'll be able to watch out for it. Also, key levels will be taught, and price actions, strategies that work best on trading GBP JPY. GBP JPY has its specific chart strategies. Also, its psychology, you'll be taught on how to, if you also trade gold, WTI, Nasdaq 100, you will also be taught on that one, both on the fundamental aspects, on the technical aspect, also on the sentimental aspect of this. If it's only GBP JPY or any JPY pairs you want to also learn, you'll be taught on that. The news that moves the markets the best, how to enter, when to enter, how to take profits, and how to close your trade. Also, you'll be taught on the indicators that work the most, chart patterns, risk management, and trade management. You can also follow us on Telegram to learn more about this. And if in case you are interested in trade signal, probably high probability trade that we have higher chances of winning, you can also join everything to those online mentorship, and the trade setup will be found in the link in the comment section, which is on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, the link will be in the comment section. Now back to this, our analysis on GBPJPY. So we can see that this GBPJPY has literally been pushing up, right? We can see that this is a massive bullish move here. Now take a look at this on this weekly time frame. Let's start from here, which is this higher highs here. This is an higher lows. This is a new higher highs, higher lows here, right? This is a new higher highs, and very soon we'll be expecting an higher lows. So in order to confirm if this higher lows has got, by the way, we are expecting a fall, which is an higher lows will play out. Could it push up a bit? GBPJPY is very much likely to push up a bit, but like I said, we'll be expecting a pullback, which will be as an higher lows anytime soon. Now let's go down to the daily time frame to see if it has started. Now, what can you say in this daily time frame? This is a drop. Is this drop over, or will it continue? Now that will now take us to the 4-hour time frame. So now on this 4-hour time frame, you can see something like this. Market has been trading above this trend, right? You can see markets came, we had a reaction from this trend. We also got a reaction from this trend. Then all of a sudden, the market came to this trend, and guess what? It broke below it. Now watch this thing properly. Market is now giving us a pullback to possibly come and test this trend line, possibly test this trend line. Now, this is where we are now going to be watching GBPJPY, and I want you guys to pay attention to this. Personally, this is of my own opinion. I'm not here, like you always say, trade what you see and not what you think, right? That is rules of trading. Trade exactly what you see. What GBPJPY is doing is exactly what you are going to trade. Now, let me give you my own personal opinion, by the way. I think that is on my own thought. I think GBPJPY will push up. Now, if this GBPJPY comes and start giving me a reaction from this level on this trend line that it broke out from, then there's every possibility we will get a drop. And if that GBPJPY eventually drop again and break these lows, trust me, GBPJPY will drop more to a level of 180. We will be expecting it to drop to a level of 182 and a level of 180. So once this GBPJPY can just drop and break this lower high lower lows here, if it can just drop and break this lower lows, thereby giving us a new lower lows, then this GBPJPY will continue that drop to a level of 182. Once it gets to a level of 182, we can now continue that drop again to a level of 180. So all you just have to do is pay attention to what market is doing around this level. Will it break inside this trend line and continue the movement to the upside, or will it drop? Everything will be covered on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested in trading JPY pairs, then you can join the Patreon channel, be it the Signal own or the online mentorship, whatever one you want, or follow us on Telegram. You will find all the link in the comment section.